We're going to take out the radiator and talk about some of your electrical problems. This thing is probably original. It's made out of brass. I drilled it to drain it. I'll show you why. We had a strongman contest, and this is with the hood off, so I got good access. Nobody can break that thing loose. So the radiator was getting replaced anyway. These fittings are horrible and rusted. So instead of messing with them, I'm just cutting them with a Dremel tool. So I'm going to cut some more. I'm not reusing these hoses either. But if you were working on your own car, this is the way you would do it. So on the electrical side, we have the fan and the thermostat. Fortunately, there's just one connection that has to be taken loose. So this goes to the fan. This goes to the thermostat, but for some reason they ran it through this loop the wrong way. But you're not getting that back through there. All these little edges are kind of sharp. Long sleeves may be a good idea. Sorry. in that. Okay. Yeah. So all of that is loose. Hey, buddy.
Back in a couple hours.
Okay, babe.
Dogs are in their kennels.
Okay, babe. We might as well just fan off. I'm gonna say this thing weighs 15 pounds. Upgrade to a newer one, lighter one, better flowing, less amps, and you'll be happy. So there appears to only be 2 bolts holding in this whole thing. 2 10mm bolts. I just cut this. It's going to be replaced. 2 bolts. Out it comes. So let's talk about all your electrical problems. All your problems. This is your ground. I didn't touch it. I sprayed it. It's loose. This is your other engine ground. I did loosen this one. So the negatives for your fan, everything, all run up into this. So if you've never touched this weekend, where's my 10? Do yourself a favor. This weekend, pull this off. And clean all of these connections. And clean back behind here. Okay? Make yourself a little clean spot with some sandpaper. Clean this. Clean all of these off, take them off, scuff them up. They're 40 years old, so your connections aren't the best. And then do the other side, and everything should work a little bit better because it would be grounded. It just sits in here. Two bolts holding on. 2 nuts. Bolts, nuts, interchangeable most of the time. The word, not the actual item.